Cathy and the Rainy Day. Cathy the butterfly fluttered through the meadow, her wings a kaleidoscope of colors. She danced from flower to flower, sipping sweet nectar and nibbling on fresh green leaves. Oh, what a wonderful day, she chirped to herself. Cathy, Cathy, what are you doing? Called Annie the ant, who was struggling to carry a crumb twice her size. You just eat and eat. You should be saving for a rainy day, like me. But Cathy just smiled and fluttered away to a new flower. You're not getting any exercise, Cathy, called Gas the grasshopper, who was doing jumping jacks on a blade of grass. You should be moving and getting fit, like me. But Cathy just twirled in the air and landed on a soft leaf for a rest. Be careful not to damage the flowers, buzzed Betsy the bee, who was carefully gathering pollen. We need them for our honey. Don't be so careless with the plants, like you are. But Cathy just flitted to a new blossom, her wings barely touching the petals. Don't be so wasteful, said Willy the worm, who was munching on a brown, dried leaf. You drink all the flowers' nectar, but you don't help them grow. But Cathy just took a small sip of a juicy new flower and smiled. Cathy felt a little sad. Her friends were all so busy and serious, and they didn't seem to understand her. She needed to drink the fresh, juicy nectar to get the energy to fly and to be strong. She couldn't save food like Annie or eat dried leaves like Willy. Her life was different. Suddenly, a big storm cloud appeared. The wind began to howl, and fat raindrops began to fall. Annie's crumb was washed away by a rushing stream of water, and Gas found it almost impossible to jump in the strong wind. They were in trouble. Cathy, with her strong, powerful wings, found shelter under a large mushroom cap. She saw Betsy the bee struggling against the rain, her fuzzy body getting soaked. Cathy quickly flew out and gently nudged Betsy towards the shelter. Then Cathy saw Willy the worm, his dried leaf now a soggy, mushy mess. He was shivering in the rain. Cathy flew down and guided him towards the dry ground under the mushroom. Come on, Willy, she said. It's safe here. Soon, all of Cathy's friends were safe and dry under the mushroom. Thank you, Cathy, said Annie. We were so busy with our own ways of life that we didn't see how important yours was. They all agreed that friendship wasn't about being the same, but about respecting each other's different and wonderful ways.